Hello, creators. This is going to be a little bit different than regularly. Today, I'm going to be talking about a grief ritual, about embracing and releasing the disappointments of the path. Uh, in my journey as an entrepreneur and creator spanning nearly 19 years, I have encountered uncountable failures, setbacks, and disappointments, as I'm sure you have as well. As I shared last week in a video and podcast episode about some events that led to embarking on this profound self-reflective process of seeking transformation and healing from my past, it became abundantly clear that I was unnecessarily carrying a burden of heavy memories, emotions, and wounds into a new chapter of my life that's unfolding right now. Inspired by this realization, my wife Celeste and I arranged for childcare support and ventured into the enchanting forest behind our home the other day. With us, we brought 3 pages of notes that filled with memories of disappointment that I had conjured from my reflections in the preceding days, which I speak about in the previous post that I made. So, to honor the spirits and ancestors present in our ceremony, we offered tobacco, water, flower petals, and lit candles. And we were in a stunning location. We were up on a flat, mossy rock surrounded by towering arbutus and Douglas fir trees, overlooking the moss-covered forest below. We laid out our blanket, and our loyal companion and fluffy son Bonkers joined and held space for us, meaning he slept beside us while we did this. Now, let me delve into the details of the ceremony, and hopefully these details can inspire your own process of healing and transformation in the coming hours or days. Now, I wholeheartedly believe in a vibrant life force that permeates all living beings. Through my own experiences with breathwork, psychedelics, nature immersion, magic, and synchronicity, I have come to understand that when we attentively listen, connect, commune, and communicate with this spirit, it reciprocates in response to our intentions. So to commence the ceremony, we invited our guides and ancestors from both the seen and unseen realms while invoking protection and support. Whether you find this mystical, magical, woo-woo, or whatever, consider this. You have countless ancestors who came before you. The fact that you exist right now reading this is a miraculous outcome of your ancestors escaping death, sickness, war, famine, poverty, and injury again and again and again, generation after generation. You, my friend, are a miracle, and you should cherish yourself and this life accordingly. Each breath is a gift. So we express deep humility and gratitude. We acknowledge the journey that led us to this present moment, trusting in the perfection of every step taken. We recognize that how it unfolded molded us, our lives, and our paths in the most exquisite way imaginable. We could not have consciously created this. Next, we focused on our breath, infusing it with intentions to purge all past disappointments, lingering fears, grief, trauma, hardships, and burdens from our bodies, minds, memories, and beings. And there was a lot to process there. Stumbling over my own saliva here. We meticulously revisited each memory from the 3 pages of our journal notes, bringing to the surface the emotions, the challenges associated with those experiences, and remarkably, without any need to force the shift, the memories seamlessly transformed into gratitude and celebration. I could discern how my failures merely redirected me towards a refined version of who I'm meant to be and what I'm destined to accomplish in my life. Setbacks became gentle invitations to slow down and listen more intently. Hardships emerged as testimonials to my and our power, resilience, and strength. Now, this process of unearthing the muck and transmuting it through gratitude demanded considerable time. Amidst the process, we refined and reaffirmed the crystal clarity of our identities and the aspirations we claim in this new narrative we are crafting in our lives. Like you, I sense that I have a significant purpose on planet Earth during this transformative time in human history. I'm not here to play a small game. I'm here to engage in a global game, and I believe the same is true for you. However, these past weeks have made it abundantly clear that I cannot fully embrace and receive this new story until I bring it to closure, until I can close the old book and its tales in a good way. And that's precisely what this ceremony aimed to achieve. It entailed laying to rest the past experiences, memories, beliefs, and stories shaped by my journey. Moreover, we acknowledged and honored every individual who played a role in our story. Their names echoed through the forest as we spoke them aloud, expressing gratitude and recognizing the unique gifts that each person, being, and experience brought into our lives. As Einstein once said, we can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. In other words, we cannot reach our next level of growth by clinging to victimhood and dwelling on the past. To access higher perspectives and thinking, I've discovered that gratitude, affirmative prayer, and movement are the swiftest pathways. Concluding our ceremony, we embrace the act of making peace with the past and stepping into the boundless potential of our new future. A future that was not possible before we did this ceremony. We released our grip on the stories that no longer served us, allowing them to dissipate like the gentle breeze through the forest. In that moment, we truly felt how our journey had perfectly shaped us into resilient beings capable of transforming adversity into opportunity. We understood that every twist and turn had prepared us for this very moment of self-realization and empowerment. As we stood on that mossy rock surrounded by the majesty of nature, we felt a profound connection to something greater than ourselves. We recognized the unfolding of our lives was a dance of co-creation with the universe, guided by unseen forces and supported by the wisdom of our ancestors. With renewed clarity and purpose, we made a vow to embody the highest expression of our beings. We pledged to approach each day with unwavering commitment, embracing the challenge as catalysts for growth and viewing disappointments as stepping stones on the path of our dreams. Leaving the forest, we carried with us the echoes of our ceremony, the symphony of gratitude, healing, and transformation. And as we re-entered the world, we radiated a newfound lightness of being with an intention to inspire others with a renewed spirit and unwavering belief in the power of letting go. So may our tale of grief ritual inspire you to embark on your own healing journey of release and renewal. Embrace the catharsis that comes from shedding the weight of disappointments and allow your heart to soar with the freedom that accompanies embracing your authentic self. For it is in the act of letting go that we truly find ourselves, reclaiming our power and embracing the infinite possibilities that await us in each moment. The past may have shaped us, but it does not define us. And so with open hearts and souls unburdened, we step forward into the grand tapestry of life, ready to create a story that is beautiful, inspiring, and uniquely our own. I hope this inspires you to take your own ceremony into your own hands, to write out all of the disappointments that you have from your own journey, and to go through this same process, to unearth the hidden gifts that await you, to feel the pain and disappointment that is there beneath the surface that needs you to acknowledge it so that you can step forward fully into the new story that you're creating in this now chapter of your life. And what are you creating in your life? How has this story impacted you today? Let us know. I'd love to hear from you.